want to learn how to speak Pidgin English, but you are overwhelmed because the grammar is too much. You feel like you can't comprehend it. Let me tell you a secret. I didn't just sit down to learn how to use Canva, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever. I just allowed it to live rent free in my head, just like me learning how to speak English, because Pidgin is inborn in me. But I didn't just sit down to memorize it, to cram it, how to use this in a sentence. No, I didn't do that. And one day, boom, I discovered that I could actually use Canva, Pinterest. I was able to navigate my way through Canva, Pinterest, and I was able to learn how to speak English, even if it's not 100% fluent. But I was able to grab all of these things. But how did it happen? Today, I'm going to show you something called the comprehensive input. Yes, it is the easiest but most ignored method that has helped me learn whatever it is I want to learn. Is it English, Canva, Pinterest, without stress or pressure? And how you can use it to learn Pidgin. Yes, because it's basically because I want you to learn how to speak Pidgin English. That is why I'm bringing in the comprehensive input. So it's to teach you how you can learn how to speak Pidgin effectively, how you can be able to speak and understand Pidgin English. Hi for my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Zeno. This is a place where we sip our cold zobo with a sharp twist of ataro pepper. Yes, I bring you sweet content we get vibe, content we go ginger you, content we go make you laugh. But we don't forget to take it in with our hot pepper. Yes, our hot ataro pepper will help us stay woke, will help us bring the unfiltered truth here, will help us learn, level up, grow and evolve. So in this place we speak Pidgin English. Yes, I teach how to speak Pidgin English. Foreigners, Nigerians are all welcome here. And I also bring you the truth with it, self-growth tips, everything in conjunction. And to you, if you're watching my video for the first time, drum rolls for you. You are welcome. I'm so glad to have you here today. Forget your fees, they speak Pidgin like mad. Comprehensive input means surrounding yourself with content that you want to understand, or you already understand. Maybe you're halfway to understanding that particular thing, but it still challenges you. Yes, I understand Canva, but just to a certain extent. I didn't know one or two things. I didn't know how to use sets. I didn't know that there was something called magic app. So all of those things, I wanted to be able to comprehend them. So I had to surround myself with all of those content. It was challenging me to be better, to be able to figure it out, by using Pidgin English. You are going to surround yourself with Pidgin English content that inspires you, that you want to learn, and it still challenges you. Example, you can start watching Nollywood movies, YouTube shorts or TikTok videos that they speak Pidgin English that you can understand. Maybe also by listening to podcasts, chatting with friends that speaks Pidgin English, Nigerian friends, hearing conductors shout in public, going to the market, visiting places where Pidgin English is spoken, or where they speak them. Yeah, even if you don't get everything, even if you don't understand everything in its entirety, your brain is subconsciously taking it. It is absorbing it. You can start watching Pidgin skits daily, learning everything about Pidgin, watching videos of it, even the funny ones that will make you laugh. And then you will see some repeated Pidgin lines. You can try to mimic it, mimic the accent, the voice, the tune that was used. Funny thing is, that is the fun part. When you're learning and it doesn't feel like you are overwhelmed, like you're learning with and you're having fun at the same time. That's the best part. That is what comprehensive input can do. So you're watching this Nigerian skits and then you're laughing, then you're picking the Pidgin words. That is what makes it fun and really interesting to do. It wouldn't feel like you are studying with so much pressure, and then the part that you're trying to cram or more, or you're trying to cram a beg or the tone or everything. No. And before you know it, everything will start to make sense. Slowly you start to grasp, you start to understand everything. I put out shorts daily, so this short will help you. You can use it as part of your daily inputs, and you see over time you start to understand everything. I put out short like how to speak Pidgin English like a pro. So that is one tip that you should take from this video. It is going to work because it's a natural way of learning language or learning something new. You have to surround yourself with an environment that fosters for the learning of that thing that you want to learn. Think about babies. They don't learn grammars. They don't learn how to speak English. They probably heard it over and over and over again, and then you see that they start to speak it. One day you just hear them saying, yeah. It's crazy, but that is how they are able to master it, because they've heard it over and over and over again. So it's a repeating circle. It doesn't feel overwhelming for you. But wait, there is a right way to do it, because not all content will help you grow. Let me show you the right content to focus on. Number one, pick a clear content with emotion or a storyline. You don't have to worry about understanding everything. Try to get the meaning from the context. Try to get the pidgin word or whatever it is from the context that is being used. Like omo, they haven't brought the light today. You try to get why that omo was used in the sentence. Do you get me? Use subtitles. Yes, subtitles help, especially in this movie, to kill a monkey. There are some pidgin words I did not understand. Not gonna lie, you can't fight me. Using subtitles will help you remember. Watch the same video over and over and over again. Keep repeating the process, and when you are doing it, make sure that you're having fun with it. That is what will help your brain assimilate it faster. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Yes, enjoy every process of watching that video. That is where the fun part is. That is where the fun is. If you've been struggling to learn how to speak pidgin English, this is your key to learning. Stop cramming, stop memorizing the word like you are preparing for an exam. Just immerse yourself with it. Immerse yourself with a real life experience, with Nigerian skits, content, whatever content creator that talk about pidgin English. Yes, you can use my short as an example. You can watch my short every day as your input language. Yes, if you want to learn pidgin English, stop memorizing the words like you are preparing for an exam. No, that will not help you. Do you understand? Guys, if this video has helped you, do well to like, subscribe, comment anything you want to learn or you want to know or you want me to talk about. I'll be in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Guys, the video I'm going to recommend top, I think you should watch it because it's going to help you. You can start from there. Bye.